Hello, let's see what Map Capture Pro can do. With Map Capture Pro, you can capture high-quality screenshots for both 2D and 3D projects. In 2D mode, a frame will appear in the scene indicating the capture area. You can adjust its size using the white corner handles. All changes are updated automatically in the Live Preview section. In the Capture Bounds section, you can see the coordinates of the capture area. Auto Detect automatically fits the screenshot area to the scene, while Snap to Selection adjusts it to a selected object. In the Output Size section, you can define the screenshot resolution. In Render Settings, you can choose which layers will be visible in the screenshot. In the Camera section, you can adjust the camera settings. In the Logo and Watermark section, you can add logos, text, and borders directly to your screenshots. Now, let's capture a test screenshot. As you can see, the screenshot was captured successfully. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.